Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my strawberry cake roll recipe. For the sponge ingredients, we have 150 grams whole eggs, 65 grams granulated white sugar, 200 grams egg white, 120 grams another granulated white sugar, 170 grams cake flour. Later, for the filling, I have here the strawberry fudge ready to fill. I also have fresh strawberries. And for the frosting, we need 1 cup Mona Lisa whipping cream. For the sponge recipe, we need 2 mixer. So if isang mixer lang, you can mix first the whole eggs bago si egg white. So if you have hand mixer, you can use hand mixer para sa whole eggs nyo. Okay? So in your bowl, mix in your whole eggs. Whip mo muna to around 3 minutes. Then add your sugar. After 3 minutes, slowly add your sugar. Once ganito na yung consistency, you can start whipping your meringue or your egg white. So, in your KitchenAid or another mixer, whip your egg white. Tapos, once frothy, slowly add your sugar. Slowly add your sugar. Then, whip natin to until stiff. Tapos, continue ka kay whole eggs mo. So, whip mo to just until ganito yung consistency and then stiff na si egg white. So, get a bigger bowl. Lagay mo muna to yung whole eggs. Tapos, fold natin si egg white. Then, slowly, cut and fold tayo here. Halfway sa folding nyo, we can sift in the cake flour. Sift mo si flour while you cut and fold. If you only have one hand mixer, mix mo una si whole eggs and sugar. Tapos set aside bago si egg white and sugar. Kasi mas mabilis ma-whip si egg white and sugar. So no more traces of flour. Then this is good to go. You get your jelly roll pan. This is 16-inch. Lined with baking paper. Tapos, lagay natin here. Then, let's bake this one around 15 to 20 minutes. So, since na-bake na yung sponge ng strawberry cake roll, mix na natin yung frosting niya. So, this is your Mona Lisa whipping cream. Whip lang natin to until medium stiff. So, here's our whipping cream. Tapos, ito yung lalagyan natin. Styro for cake roll. Tapos, here's our baked sponge. So, make sure ha na malamig na si sponge. Then, yung ready-made natin na strawberry fudge, lagay na natin. When you put filling sa cake roll, huwag mo na itong isali kasi mapupush later dyan. Also, yung pinaka-side niya. If marami kayong strawberries, go ahead. You can put fresh strawberries. If wala, you can use the ready-made custard or you can make your own custard. As you roll, loosen mo na yung baking paper. Higpitan nyo ha. Then, transfer natin sa styro. Then, after rolling it, frost na natin. It's up to you if you want to put strawberry flavor sa frosting. Pwede naman. After the frosting, we can put the fresh strawberries on top. There you go, our strawberry cake roll recipe. Again, for the ingredients, guys, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!